So you want to draw a kissing anime couple. Oh. Well, in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna teach you just that in just a few steps. But before that, please like the video real quick. It helps me out a lot. Ready? Okay, let's go. First, we'll draw a diagonal line. In the center, draw an X. Just beside the X, draw 2 circles. This will serve as the guideline for the 2 heads. Next, just draw these 2 shapes, which kind of look like a triangle in a way. Next, we're gonna do the nose and the mouth. So the X was actually for the nose, and then just make a line for the mouth, like so. It's sort of a zigzag line, and then draw the chin. For the eyes, we're gonna draw triangles along the diagonal line. For the girl on the left, the center of the triangle is on the line, while for the boy, the triangle is above the line. This is because they're facing in different directions. Feel free to draw any type of expression on their face, but for me, I'd like her to have a sort of surprised face, while the boy is closing his eyes. Basically, just make the upper triangle thicker for the lashes, and then remove the lines on the lower triangle. Then draw a circle inside the triangle. Also, I drew her eyebrows. So if you want to draw their eyes closed, simply draw a line on the center of the triangle and erase the triangle. Leave a little line for the eyelid. Since he's a guy, I decided to make his eyebrows thick. I also fixed the placement of the ears because, I don't know, it kind of looked out of place. This is optional, but I added a hand holding the side of her head. It makes it look more romantic, don't you think? There's nothing romantic about drawing hands, Kooleen. And then I generally just cleaned up the lines. Anyway, so I drew the ears. For the ears, it's really simple. Just draw these curvy lines like so. For the hair, I made these spikes. So this is a tip for drawing hair. Notice how they're all coming from the same direction. I did the same for the girl. Lastly, I drew the hands. I just made sort of a rectangle and drew his fingers. It's actually pretty easy, don't worry about it. Also, I drew his uniform because, it would be weird if he didn't have any clothes. So I cropped the canvas just because. I did some polishing and added more details. Now it's time for coloring. This part is relatively easy. I copied an anime color palette from Google, which is probably okay. Anyway, using a magic wand, I selected the areas that I want to color. This isn't a blue color, it's just the coverage of the magic wand. Then I used the paint bucket tool to fill the selected area. Then I selected a brownish color for the girl's hair. As for the guy, I decided he would be blonde. So these are just the base colors. Anyway, I colored the whites of the eye and the eye itself with a blue color. Then I added a shading color, which I eyedropped from the palette. I just basically applied it to the shadows. Oh, and also I covered the hand with hair because it looks weird, but you can leave it out if you want. Anyway, we're gonna do the same with the guy. So yeah, I drew more shadows like so. And lastly, I added the blushes. I added more blushes to the girl because, well, obviously, in anime guys don't blush at all for some reason. So if you want a more polished look, you can duplicate the whole illustration and blur it. Then lower the opacity of the blurred version. It pretty much blurs out the inconsistent lines. Also, I made another layer and set it to shine, or if you want, screen. Then I lightly airbrushed a red color to make it look like it's glowing. So here's the final product. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you're proud of your work, be sure to flex it with me on the socials. Here are my accounts, feel free to follow me. If you found this video useful, please drop a like on my video. I would appreciate that a lot. So thanks, stay cool.